Prevent limescale without salt? We at Tratson make it possible with this device. Hello, I'm Mike and I'm introducing you to our innovation for limescale prevention. The ENK Quattropower makes life so much easier. Unlike other limescale prevention devices, our products are small, compact, and therefore easy and self-installable. There are also no maintenance and service costs. Our limescale protection devices work without salt or chemicals and break down old layers of limescale. Our products do not allow germs to form and leave the healthy minerals in the water. We have invested thousands of hours in development and research, as well as design and prototyping. The effectiveness of our proprietary physical inductive technology, or PIT, was documented over a 4-year period in a scientific dissertation submitted to ETH Zurich. Our products are developed and produced entirely in Switzerland. Our vision aims at quality of life thanks to vital and clean drinking water. Health and sustainability are top priorities at Tratson. And where are your priorities? You too can put your trust in Tratson. Convince yourself and order the ENK Quattropower with a 100% satisfaction guarantee during 365 days.